What
was that noise, Josh?
I'm trying to speak space language, hoping that one of you guys will respond.
Go.
Hey, let me say something.
Yeah, what are you doing on Friday?
Wait, what?
Why did you ask? Why did you say it properly the first time?
Translating for our viewers.
So you translate after. You don't like say it in English first and then translate back to your original language.
I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but 1 of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of G. I'm a different kind of G. I'm a different.
Aww.
Yo.
What the fuck?
Yo. Yeah. Oh,
JJ, that was actually.
Oh shit.
Smart.
Fair
Take
fucking
me.
play.
Take
What
me.
the fuck happened there?
Take
Oh,
me.
they hit you sometimes,
Yes!
they don't hit
I
you
fully
other times.
respected JJ's movements
Yeah,
though.
JJ did bare
Oh,
smart.
What the fuck's
no.
happened to me?
Birdie.
Okay.
Go on.
Mad. Why does it go to the side? Stay on, stay.
Stay. Yeah!
Okay, I'm gonna.
Yeah,
We
boy.
now know Vic's cum noise.
That would be very disturbing.
No! No Josh's cum noise.
Mine's better, I think.
I don't really want to ever hear either of yours.
Stop. I'm trying to look at the lights here. Hello. Hi.
Yay! Part of the fact I can't cook either, but oh wow! Don't matter.
I can cook. I just don't have time. But I've made time for you.
You looked at this and said, "What is this?"
You were holding it like that, and I was like, "What is that?"
Oh come
It was just a
on!
block.
It's butter.
My butter.
My butter. My butter.
My butter comes in a tub, okay? If I don't do this job, it all goes to
Biscuit.
goes to biscuit. I like that.
Crumbs.
Crumbs.
Oh crumbs.
Excellent.
I did it before.
up.
Standard.
You've done that with M&M and it's straight down. Yeah. And since then, I'm haunted up. Just deep throwing an M&M.
What does ATM with the machine actually stand for? I don't know.
Auto transaction machine.
Really?
Don't know, I just made it up.
That sounds good. Sounds
good.
I don't know what it actually is. It's
What is that? That sounds good.
Automated transaction.
automated transfer money.
Aim trigger.
It does automated transfer money.
Hey, tings, man.
Right,
What the
Josh.
fuck?
Josh, are you okay?
That's the hey, tings, man.
Man said, ah! There he is, look at him. This bloke right here, look at that! Oi! Oi! Get him in! Yes!
Oi!
I told you! Oh! The rum!
Need a gun.
Does an angel?
Bez, how's that pun treating you, mate?
No, Prometheus.
I don't know what to say.
Oh fucking! Oh my god! Oh, they're
Vic,
all
you're
here!
retarded, it was right there. Vic, it was at the end!
Sorry,
Vic, it was at
caught
the
me off
end.
guard.
No, it
I thought
didn't.
was done.
It didn't. I'm sorry,
I thought
that's
it was
just
done.
poor.
I
That's
mean,
so
it
poor.
did catch me off guard. I'm sorry, alright? I'll leave
Yes!
And there's a thing,
Yes!
there's a thing like
I feel like my
that.
ears being raped
Oh
by it.
yes! Oh, my titty is on fire! Oh!
It's not what I need in my
He
life.
bounced me back.
Oh my...
You need to like bounce on the first wall somehow.
Oh my dick in mouth.
I have no idea where they are.
Look over there.
Hey, Ethan.
Ethan, I don't rate that. Don't ever do that. Ethan, never do that.
He's
again.
not falling
Ethan,
for it.
never fucking do that shit again.
He's-
Yeah, that's the sneaky one. I do remember. I remember some things sometimes.
If it sets me out of balance one more time, I'm gonna eat my dick.
Instant bunny.
It's some dangerous shit, bro.
Oh!
Simon looks like he's in flipping Wallace and Gromit. Look at this.
Jeez, Gromit!
How you feeling, bro? You good, Josh? You good?
The highest fucking golf. Fuck off!
At least you got a title and thumbnail.
No. I'm enjoying myself. I'm laying
It's not the getting the score, it's the enjoying
Oh my
yourself.
god! The ramp isn't smooth in the water!
I'm sorry, but how the fuck am I you did it, Josh?
Yeah.
How am I...
Oh my god!
Oh,
God, how am I doing
fuck
it?
this game.
He literally is him. He's him. Oh, yeah, nice, Nope.
It's so diseased.
You're 40-something, you're 50 points ahead of me. Josh.
Ethan, do you want to go on a trip?
In our favourite rocket ship.
Running through the sky.
Little Einstein.